Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Stiga Advantage Table Tennis Table. This Stiga table is a great value for money if you aren't an experienced player but don't intend to become a professional. You can assemble 95% of this table yourself, and then the rest is simple. With the help of the locking wheels, the table can be easily moved. The table can be easily transported and rolled using the 4 top quality lockable wheels. The tabletop is 3/4 inches thick and can be used for both roller coats and silk screen stripes. The clamp-style tournament 72-foot table and post, which include height and tension adjustment, are easy to attach or remove. Professional level table tennis table. Tournament quality. Advantage Pro comes with a quick play design, which is pre-assembled in a 10-minute time frame. This allows for quick and simple setup. The table's halves are equipped with separate beams that allow them to be used in different ways or put in playback mode. This will help you improve your game before the next game. With its small nesting storage, you can keep it out of the way. Our second best ping pong table is Jula Nova Table Tennis. This table is ready to go outside. The tabletop is made of durable aluminum plastic composite and measures 6 mm thick. It is resistant to chipping and warping. The table rests on a powder-coated 30 mm by 30 mm undercarriage that is rust-resistant and corrosion-resistant. The Jula outdoor table includes a matching, weather-resistant net set with classic screw design and net tensioning. It is easy to assemble and use. Outdoor ping pong table 9 by 5 feet. Combining Jula's indoor and outdoor ping pong tables with outdoor durability. It looks great on any patio set, and is perfect for your backyard or playground. Comes 95% pre-assembled. You can assemble it in 10 minutes. Just attach the legs using only 8 bolts total. For easy attachment, tournament-grade table tennis nets are secured with a screw clamp. The undercarriage is powder-coated and rust-resistant. It measures 30 by 30 mm. The tabletop is made of durable aluminum plastic composite material, 6 mm thick. It resists warping and chipping. The Jula outdoor table includes a matching, weather-resistant net set with classic screw design and net tensioning. It is easy to assemble and use the net in just seconds. Let's watch more. Third in our list is Jula Indoor 15 mm Table Tennis. Adjustable leg levelers ensure a level playing surface for the Jula Quadri Table Tennis table, regardless of whether it's on hard court, carpet, tile, stone, or hardwood. The undercarriage is made of 1-inch steel legs and has 4 2-inch locking wheels. Tournament-size ping pong table is a 9 by 5 foot indoor table tennis table with ping pong net. It's perfect for your living space, garage, or game room. Great for playing with family and friends at home. For reliable ball bounce, the tabletop is durable at 5 by 8 inches thick. It is recommended to use Jula ping pong paddles and ping pong balls for better performance. Jula Quadri 4-piece table tennis table can be nested together to make it compact and easy to store when not in use. Each table has its own four-wheel trolley system for mobility, which can be used separately or together. Number 4 in our best ping pong table list is Jula Indoor Table Tennis. Jula's top-selling table, the Jula Inside Table Tennis Table with net set, has been a huge success year after year. This table is perfect for anyone who wants to have a great game of table tennis for an affordable price. This table tennis table is 95% ready to go and can be assembled in under 10 minutes. This table is compact and lightweight thanks to its sleek frame and nestable nesting halves. Professional-grade wood composite surfaces provide a consistent bounce and durability. The table's sturdy steel legs and apron make it durable for many years. Table legs have adjustable height levelers that ensure a level playing area and locking caster wheels to provide stability. Jula Inside's unique two-halves design allows each table half to be easily separated and used as a multi-purpose table. The playback position, pictured above, is the most popular secondary use of the Jula Inside. The Jula Inside Table Tennis Table, a regulation-sized indoor ping pong table of competition quality, is ideal for use in your home, office or recreation area. This table tennis table is ready to go in just 10 minutes. The 72-inch ping pong net is tournament grade and can be attached or removed quickly using the clamp system. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is Go Sports Midsize Table Tennis. The Go Sports Midsize Table Tennis pack a lot of fun in a small set that is perfect for small spaces. You can set up the table in minutes and start playing table tennis tournaments or rallies at 6 feet by 3 feet for epic games. You can set it up at your home, apartment or office. The set is small enough to be stored anywhere and perfectly sized for heated tennis games. Construction is no compromise. This table has a sturdy aluminum frame and a smooth playing surface that ensures a perfect bounce and endless hours of smooth rallies. The table surface measures 6 feet by 3 feet. It is large enough to hold competitive games but compact enough to be stored anywhere. It folds up quickly for play and can be folded back for storage in seconds. This table is ideal for small spaces such as apartments or offices. The table's aluminum frame is strong and lightweight, while the playing surface provides the perfect bounce to allow for endless hours of smooth rally.